sa'yo?
Ha?
Update ka sa'yo?
Ito nga ganun, kada in-upload mo, di ba? May comment ka agad. Partially black o may copyright. Tama na guys, yung Abing G Vlogs, hindi pa naman siya yung monetize talaga. Hindi ko siya apre pag na-monetize na yun, talaga medyo boss, kaya next Tuesday? Madi-deliver na? Kaya? Problema yung kare ko, walang ganyan kasi. Ha? Mamaya darating yung mga tao kayo magalala. Mamaya magdadating sa mga tao. Lalo Tip Toad tsaka Janas. Okay, welcome ulit na po. Dito po, hindi ka naman set. Ito ang PSB Basketball League. We'd like to thank following sponsors. McDonald's at MC Cargo. Nandito po ang Janas Basketball Team. Black Libre Shanti, Janas Cometio. Winas sa pare. Nandito po si Mr. HB Kicks, JPEX TV at si Hookup Apparel, of course, si Mr. Kisubduke, si Nagdito Media, at si Mr. I1 Nation. Okay, tuloy po tayo mga boss. Ay, okay. Okay, first game po tonight po, ito po ang Team Oryx clad in purple po sila versus yellow and green combination po. Yan po ang Team Tuktuk Saigon. Welcome po po sa ating liga na po ng liga naman sikat, PSB Basketball League. At it's high time, game time tonight po tayo para sa ikang Tuktuk Saigon versus Oryx Basketball Team. Ito na po tayo. Ayan po ang laban po dito, they want to avoid the twice to beat advantage against number 2 rank sa kanilang quarterfinals. Yan ang at stake po dito. Okay, first quarter basketball action now start right now. So all cameras all rolling already. Si Scott, si Babagay, si De Leon, si Mr. Barks at si Melvin. Kabila po, of course, si Perez, si Sabusab, si Edward at si Roldan. Saan po natin po si Mr. Valdez. Nako na Valdez ang bola. Valdez, binabaibot kay Perez. Perez ang bola. Perez, tapos ang bola. Pasok, 2 points. Perez, 2 points. Scott, De Leon again. Bart De Leon, driving strong. Nope. It's Babagay, dugot, wala. To Scott for the 3 points. Malakas. Rebound battle by Babagay. 2 points Babagay. Babagay, 2 points. Okay, out of bounds po. Again, balik muli po sa Oryx ang bola. Si Mr. Barks. De Leon. Melvin, pops up for 2. Malakas. Rattled out. Tapusap. Nakuha ni Percento to roll down. 2 points roll down. Okay, 2-4. Lamang na po ng 4. 2-4, 2-4, 2-4 po, 2-4. Ang score po natin yun, 2-4. De Leon driving strong. Scott, no, ibabagay, babagay, malakas. Scott, 2 points, Scott. All 4 tayo, all 4, 8:49 remaining. 8:49 remaining, all 4 po tayo, 8:49 remaining. Perez, binabantayan, to Roldan, Valdez, Sabusab, no good, rebound, Barony, Sabusab again, to Valdez, and to Mr. Edward, no good, now to Mr. Bob Gakad, binababa ang bola, Gakad, Scott intercepted by Edward, now to Perez, 2 points. Perez, 2 points tayo, 2 points po tayo. Sinecheck ko lang po yung zoom ng camera, pasok po tayo, and at the same time, Gakad, De Leon, Bart, Gakad for 3. Nope. Rebound, babagay kay Melvin, pops up for 2. No good, rebound by Sabusab. Now to by Roldan, foul called. Foul on Gakad. 08, first personal foul. First team foul, Team Oryx. Again, sa padaw. Labas muli. Roldan, inbounding. Ayan na, Mr. Perez. Hoy! Valdez, nope, it's Edward. De Leon, driving strong. Nice one by De Leon. Nice slice by De Leon. Na Mr. Sabusab. Oy, foul called. Foul called para kay Scott. Scott called for the foul. Akop shooting po yan. 2 shots given kay Sabusab. Take two. Sabi niya, take 2 daw po. Sabi ng referee. And Sabusab, first shot, it's out. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. After this po is, of course, TikTok kicks rather versus Janice Gourmet. Babagay, what a rebound. Babagay, tumbis sa De Leon. Bards, De Leon, hinapos, pasok ang bola. Hop! Perez against De Leon. Double teamed by Melvin. Walang bola. Purple ball po tayo. De Leon, driving strong. Nope, it's babagay. Pops up. Easy to. Hop. Perez, Roldan, Valdez, 2 points. Lamang na po ng 2 po ang Team Oryx. Scott, touch dash by Sabusab, touch dash po ni Sabusab. Balik puli po tayo sa ating luto. And to De Leon for 3. Nope. Magkakat. Nakuha ni Sabusab ang bola. Perez, 6 minutes 7 remaining. Tapos, out of bounds. Ano yan? Finger roll? Finger, walang roll. Sabusab, 2 points Sabusab. Tablados na naman tayo sa Jess. Scott, De Leon, Bards, De Leon, shake and bake move. Bards, De Leon, 2 points De Leon. Perez, foul called. Jersey number 28, Melvin Nadera called for the foul. First personal foul po yan po, Mr. Melvin Nadera. Perez shooting for 2, 12-10 po score po. Oryx po ang lamang. First shot, nope. Second throw, jumpers ready. Handa na po yung second line po natin. Maraming salamat po. Second throw ni Perez. Pops up. It's pasok. Basket made po kay Perez. Basket made. Walter. Melvin. Scott. Pops up for 3. No. Rebound. Again. Delio Perez. No, pala pinasad. Nice interception by Nadera. Nakuha niya sa pusap. 0-3 on situation. Tapos. Roldan, 2 points. And change player na po tayo mga boss. You're watching right now PSBQ Basketball League. First game tonight po tayo. Tuktok Saigon, clad in yellow and green combination versus Oryx, pure purple po sila. The score right now is 12-13. Laman po ang team Tuktok Saigon. Okay. Second line po, si Azari, pinasok na. De Leon, Melvin, Biggie, at si Bert. Sa kabilang po, si Chef Manila po ang pinilitan. Si Galang at si number 9, number 12. Chef Manu, malakas. Ouch. At di sumasali si Nidulong dito. Ha? Dahil si Lilap dito sumasali. Azari. Biggie. Azari to Biggie. Azari. Hook shot. Yes, sir. Chef Mano. Naku ni Biggie ang bola. Biggie. To Azari again. Azari. De Leon. To Azari. Biggie. Azari. Pops up for 2. Nope. Sabusab. Naku ang bola. Again. Perez. Okay. 2 points Perez. Rad Duran. Shoutout kay Aaron. Foul. Ouch. Nadera, second personal foul. 1 po penalty na po ang Team Oryx. 4 minutes 11 remaining. First quarter action. And sabi nito naman Glenn Padayaw. Shoutout kay Aaron. Sabi ni Glenn to Ralph. Kay Padayaw naman sa'yo. Lamprey, Durant, kumakain ka pa. Padi. Perez, pinapapa ang bola. Perez. De Leon. Azari. Block. No foul. Bola. Chef Mano for 3. Ayaw. Galang pops up. Nope. Bart sasabi, ano mo yung tempo ta? Huwag mo na ba ano? Huwag mo ba magdali? Bart, De Leon. Azari, offside shot. No good. Sabusab po for a foul. First shot.
First defense, Tuktok Saigon.
Thank you. Power pack there.
There's no way up for
No, first shot, no good. Azari, second throw. Jumper ready po tayo. Azari. Thank you. Matibay. Kayan. Wag lang dumami sa platform. Ibot or Perez. Tuktok Saigon hanging. Tabla. Naku ni Biggie ng bola. Biggie to Nadera. Malakas. Again, isa pang beses. Nope, it's Galang for 2. No good. Rebound, Baruan by Galang. To Perez against Biggie. Pagpalong konti. Ragusta. Nope, it's down. Again, Melvin called for a foul. Melvin yan. Who's foul rep? Again, Melvin called for a foul. Penalty situation, Team Oryx, Ragusta shooting for 2. Pops up. Wala. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Ragusta. Second throw, jumpers ready. Pasok. Okay, first lead again on to Tuktok Saigon. Azari. Biggie. Foul.
August number 1, Cameron Gala. First personal foul, second team foul. Tuktok Saigon. First foul by Vic. Second foul by Vic. Second foul. 17-16, moving the ball by Bobby Perez.
Bukol si Tera. Dr. Saigon called for the early timeout. Time remaining, 2 minutes 6 remaining. Sa ating first quarter action. Ito, kinaanak at stake dito, iwasin nila yung number 2. Number 2 kasi ito ay subit advantage sa quarterfinals. Dogface dead. Saka may benchman. Chef Mano against Melvin. Sa Busab against Piggy. 2 points sa Busab. Okay. De Leon na playing na the point guard position. De Leon, Azari. Kick pass kay ito Biggie, palpal, foul!
There's a foul. There's number 27.
Biggie shooting for 2. Perez called for the foul. Sabi ni referee, sumabit ka daw. First shot ni Biggie, it's break. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Pakirang Mr. Biggie. Pops up, victory. 1 minute 37 remaining. First quarter action about to go to close. Nice steal, Azari. Pablo nagmamadali. Lopez de Leon to Azari. Nice one. Nice pass. Nice assist from Mr. De Leon. Barge. Up. No good. Again, De Leon, driving strong. Oh, good ball. Perez. Nice contact by Perez. Rep. Azari to Biggie. Bang! Chef Man again. Oy! Again, one more time. Target. De Leon. Look, Melvin pops up. Yun, pumasok din. Melvin Nadera, 2 points also. Second field goal pa ni Nadera. Nice guard by Azari to De Leon. De Leon again. No, recepted. Chef Mane for 3. No. Rebound, battle won by Pablo. By Perez, blocked by Dirk. 8 seconds remaining. What a deep by Mr. Dirk. Ganda pala rito pagkulog pala yun. Paganda nga sa acoustic dito yun. Chef Manu, no good. Azari. Melvin. 2 points Melvin. Highlight. Okay, first quarter drawn to the close already. The score is 30-20. Laman po ang team Oryx over Tuktuk Saigon. Before we start, we'd like to thank the following sponsors.
Grabe ka naman. Ito mo pa.
Tuktok Saigon.
Okay, bola po ng Tuktuk Saigon. Si Mr. Edward para pumasok na po kay Mr. Valdez. Valdez, binababa ang bola. Valdez. Valdez. Nope. One more time. Valdez. Nice one. No good. Wala. Biggie for sure called for a foul. Foul on Biggie. Biggie playing the only center. Sabusa per shot, it's out. Scott, nasa second quarter po siya ngayon.
Ano naman?
Second shot ni Sabusa. Nice rebound by Biggie. Gakad. Gakad, binababa ang bola. To Babagay. And to Mr. Bagay kay Babagay. Babagay. Dirk pops up. Yes, sirree. Dirk 2 points also. Another field goal by Dirk. 9 minutes 23 remaining. Sabusa. Dope. It's Valdez. Valdez. Edward for 3. For sure. Nope. Rebound. Bad one by Sabusab. Nice pass! What a pass by Galang. Nice pass from Galang to Edward with love. Etra po tayong Gakad. Dirk pops up for 2 again. No good. Roldan. Intercepted by Gakad. Babagay to Scott. Easy to. And naman tayo. Valdez forced to change the shot. It's good. Ito po tayo Mr. Gakad. Binababa ang bola. Gakad. Saka pupunta ngayon. Gakad. Scott. To Biggie. No good. One more time Biggie. 2 points. Nice shot by Biggie. It's now a daunting 12-point lead still by Team Oryx. Galang, Edward to Bill Valdez to Sabusa for 3. Nope, it's Edward setting up. It's Galang, driving strong. Ilabas muna. Roll down for 3. Tapos, Dirk. Scott, nagmamadaling yun. Scott, Biggie, traffic, Scott. Ayun, Gakad, Babagay, Pops, and one play. Basket played, and one play awarded. Babagay shooting for the bonus free throw. Again, Tuktuk Saigon called for a timeout. Before that, ano po tayo sa ating mga sponsors muna? Baka sila, hanap buhay muna tayo. Of course, PSBQ now in its second year. Would like to thank the following sponsors. Nandiyan po ang ating major sponsors, McDonald's Qatar and MC Cargo. Sampo natin po si Luxury Shanty by Gianna's Basketball Team, Gianna's Gourmet Tio, Winx Apparel. Nandiyan din po si Hookup Apparel, HB Kicks, JPEX TV, and dance po natin po dyan si Mr. Kisho Duque, Sinag Digital Media, at si I1 Nation. Back to the ball game ulit po tayo. Ayan. Ayan. Dok. Pwedeng pasin. Yung batch na yan para makita. Sige. Mabagay, pasok po tayo. Again, balik muli po tayo. 7 minutes 30 remaining. Wala ko ng data. Wala akong data. Hello. Galang again. Valdez. Good ball. Dirk. Naipit. Edward. No good. One more time. Edward. Change the shot. No good. Rebound sa busap. Foul. And one play. Nice one. Brainy. Nice play by Ed by sa busap. Brainy siya. Brainy. Babaga. Biggie call for a foul. Sa busap. Shooting for the bonus free throw. Sa busap. No good. Rebound by Biggie. Escat, nakalusot. Escat, pops up for 3, in line. No good. Biggie, nope, it's sa busap. Galang, Edward, na yung mag-isa. Edward, 2 points. Edward, 2 points. Intercepted. Kickball. Valdez. Oy! Sabi, tumano. Tumano siya. Balik muli po tayo. Eto na naman. Gakad. Dakuha rin sa buso ng bola. Roldan. Malakas. Escat. Kick pass kay Escat. Escat. Easy to. Nope. Babagay. Driving show. Nope. It is Scott again. He's ready for 3. Bang! Ito naman. Edward. Babawin. Nope. Tap to Mr. Babagay. Gakad again. Nope. It's Dirk. Easy to. Pasok. Edward, malakas. Nululuwa na rin, Babagay, power move, 2 points. Babagay, power move, again, one more time, Gakad, wala. Rebound by Scott. Nilabas si Scott ang bola, 5 minutes 25 remaining. And Scott, dako, nurot na bola. Roll down, 2 points. Roll down 2 points now kay Babagay. From Dirk to Biggie. Biggie for 3. Bang! Okay, Edward, easy to. Okay, time up po. No, exchange break po tayo. Again, babalik si Melvin, si De Leon, at si Azari. Pagpapahinga naman si Babagay, si Dirk, at si Biggie. Wala silang sentro ngayon. Azari. Melvin. No. Gandera, Gakad. De Leon. No, Azari for 2. Bang. Azari 2 points. Nice running shot by Mr. Perez. Gakad. 2 points, Gakad. Okay, laman po ng siyam pa rin po ang Team Oryx. Nice try, nice shot by Perez. Gakad for 3. No, ayaw niya. 2 points. Rebound, Perez against De Leon. Nice one. Loko, malakas. Nice guard duty by De Leon. Scott, naku, sa busa pa bola. Again, De Leon against Perez. Perez for 3. Bang! Nope. Rebound by Perez. Perez. Malakas. Oy! Nice one! Wala pa rin. Nakalusot si Scott. Scott. Melvin sa kabila naman, malakas. Okay, Ragusta, 2 points. Okay, tama po by Oryx. Kailangan na magamit yan, tsaka ano. 3 minutes 12 remaining, second quarter action na po tayo yun. Body. Sino siya? Okay, back to the ball. Gimuli po tayo yun at 3 minutes 12 remaining. Azari to De Leon. De Leon. Azari to Melvin. Melvin again. Nope, it's De Leon. De Leon. Azari to Scott. Scott for 3. Bang! Sabusab! Nice drive by Sabusab. Nice drive by Sabusab. Nope. 2 minutes 30 remaining. Sabusab. Hop! Malakas. Sabusab again. Dukot. Wala pa rin. Isa pa. Sabusab. And one play. Sabusab. And one play para kay Mr. Mark Sabusab. Number 30 po ng Tuktuk Saigon. The score is 58-42. 58-42 po tayo ngayon. A 14-point lead advantage. Nope, a 14-point lead advantage by Team Oryx over Team Saigon. Nice, Azari. 2 points, Azari. Binato na lang. Nice D kay Chef. Nice kay Chef Mano, 2 points. Chef Mano, 2 points. Barge De Leon. Scott for 3. Wala. Foul. Take 3. Cylinder. Take. Landing spot pati. Pre, kailan ba yung championship semi-final quarterfinals against Australia? Kailan ba? Bukas ha? Gilas? Oh, Gilas Australia bukas. Yung muntik pa matalo yun. Salamat kay Brownlee. Scott na naman. Pero dyan kasi alam na rin natin eh. Kinakala iyan yun asahan nila i-gagang up si Brownlee. Ramdam. Second throw by Scott, pasok. Last throw by Scott. The score is 62-44. Pops up. It's it. Okay, 19-point lead already been posted now by Team Oryx. Perez binababa ang bola. 1 minute 36 remaining sa ating score po ngayon. Perez, Chef, Ragusta for 2 rather. No good. Ragusta pinapasigakat. Again, De Leon. De Leon binababa ang bola. De Leon. Woy! Lifting violation. Holding the ball or lifting violation. Chef Mano again Valdez. Easy 2. 2 2 points Valdez. Valdez, the lefty. Balik tayo to De Leon. De Leon, binaba ang bola. De Leon, pops up for 3. Pasok! Pambira kung nandiyan pa si Giovanni. Maganda yan. Wala. Perez, foul call, and 1 play. Ito na ba ang masasabi natin? Basket made.
Ball goes number 0-0.
0-0, Azari called for a foul.
First personal foul, warning or penalty. One shot by Perez.
Second shot, pasok.
All score, 44 seconds.
Go, 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 go. Go down, go down, go down. Go. Scott for 3 again. Wala. Patay, putigay. Sabusap to Perez. Perez, easy to. Again by Sabusap. Pops up for 3. Nope. Perez. Perez. 2 points, Perez. 20 seconds remaining. 66-52. A 14-point lead in posted steal by Team Oryx. Oryx, Azari, Azari. Azari fumbled. Again. Chef Mano, binababa ang bola. 3 on nothing situation. 2 points. Pasok.
Basket down by
Okay, from the height of 19 points, again, the lead went down to 12 points. A 7-0 run in the late second quarter basketball action. Sir Velasco, magta-third quarter na po, sir. Magta-third quarter na po. Third quarter na. Halftime po tayo. Third quarter na po, sir. Third quarter na po. Okay, before that, anunsyo po tayo. Ito po ang menu, basta sa menu po na Tuktok Saigon. Kindly avail it po ito. Ayan o. Kompleto po sila. All Vietnamese cuisine po yan. From sandwiches, salads, and many, many more. Okay, just go. Open daily for reservations. Just call the number 974-3079-888 and 9. Yan po ang Tuktok Saigon Restaurant. Sabi ro, abayan. Sabi ro, taste the essence of Thailand, Vietnam, and Myanmar cuisine. A bold street food classic made to delight at Tuktok Saigon Restaurants. Kids-friendly and vegan options are also available. Yan po ang Tuktok Saigon. Ito po yung kanilang mga meals nila. For interesting parties who want to try Vietnamese cuisine and Myanmar or Burmese cuisine, yan po ang number. Just dial the number 3079-888 and 9. Tuktok Saigon Restaurant. Sir Velasco, magsisimula na po ang third quarter. Halftime lang po kami. Nasa na po ang team Janas Gomez tsaka ang team Tiptoe Kicks. Naghahang na rin ako. Inantok yata ako. Kailangan ko mag-reboot yata. Kailangan ko magkape. There we go. Tell me where I'm gonna win. Okay, ha?
Hindi ka na mahirapan sa'yo. Jujud, hindi ka na mahirapan. Okay lang. Pwede pa ba siya? Pwede na? Third quarter?
Okay, ito po ha. Dito po natin na ito po ang Tuk Tuk Second Restaurant. Sabi ito, taste the essence of Thailand, Vietnam and Burmese cuisine or Myanmar po yan. A bold street food classic made to delight at Tuk Tuk Second Restaurant. Kids friendly and vegan options are available. For interesting parties want to try Burmese and Thailand and Vietnamese cuisine po. Ito po ang number po. Ito po ang kanilang pagkain po. Ayan ha, masarap po yan, no? Ayan, oh, ayan, oh. Ayan, oh. Yan. Oh. Ayan, oh. Oh. Okay. And don't take that. Don't take that. Very good, then. Kanina, kanina yun eh. Sa movies, streaming, yung Coach Carter. Ganda nun eh. Coach Carter. Yung kanyang team na kulelat parate. Pampira, 4 lang ang panalo sa isang season na niya. Natalo lang sila sa championship. Magaling kasi yung Francis. Ayan. Grabe pa rin nga sa MPBL bro. Yung nalapak daw, ito sa MPBL, 200,000K, lifetime ban sa MPBL, yan patalong. Ang tanong pa, wala na siya ba magandang liga pupuntaan? Oo. Ang sakit nun. Di ba ito, Saudi lagi ngayon. Saudi. Nakagod yung malaki. Isa lang kasi siya eh. Nung lumamang na, tahimik na yung Saudi. So, nung nag-overtime kasi may tulog na Saudi noon. Naratel na sila, tsaka takot na rin yata. Hanggang 4 quarters. Okay, third quarter basketball action about to start right now. The score is 66-54. Laman po ng dalawa ang Labang po ng 12 rather ang Team Oryx. Okay. Velasco, third quarter na. Velasco, punta na kayo rito para makapag-warm up kayo. O, si Melvin, o. Melvin, o. Oh, hi, ano, hi, oh. Congratulations, Melvin, na kahit ano, ha. Sa championship, ha. Kahit paano. Job well done pa rin yan. Okay, third quarter starts right now. Okay, si Salud, nandiyan na rin pala si Salud. And Napoleon, De Leon, Azari, Nadera, De Leon again. Tinggi-tiri, ayaw niya. Nakuha, intercepted. Binato, kay Perez. Valdez, malakas. Malakas, again, Azari, binababa ang bola. Azari, ayaw niya, malakas. Azari, hindi si Shaq yan. Si Biggie lang yan. Okay, balik tayo ngayon. Ito na. Ito sa Busab again. Sa Busab. Sinagasa ng depensa kay Edward. Pops up for 3. No. Valdez. Difficult shot. Again, one more time. Again. Sa Busab. Binababa. Sa Busab. Power move. Sa Busab. Foul. Nice power play by Sabusab. Earning him to the stripe. Sabusab, number 30, shooting for 2. 9:14 remaining. Pops up. No. Malangas. Second shot. Jumper steady para kay Mr. Sabusab. Second throw by Sabusab. Pops up. It's out. Dirk for the rebound. De Leon driving. No, it's Azari. Malakas. Pero buti na lang pumasok. Hop. Sabusab, easy 2. Sabusab, easy 2. Pasok. Balik ulit po tayo. Azari, binababa ang bola. Tayo mamaya, manonood mamaya. Yak. Manonood mamaya. Ano yun? Labanan yun. Kinakalam. Pow! What a steal! What a swipe by Biggie. De Leon! Palpal! Pero may foul. Mamaya, ano yun? Labanan para sa second place din yun. Kinakalam manalo ni Latif Top Kicks. Para tumabla sila sa Yesha tsaka sa ibang kaya katang sublimation din. Ang dami ang daming dalawang talo lang. Uy! Okay, Perez, 2 points. Okay, si ano pala, nandiyan na rin si Salud. Sampung na lang kalamangan ng nope, rebound. De Leon, binababa ang bola. De Leon against Valdez. De Leon, have a pick. De Leon, nope, rebound again by Sabusab. Again, 2-on-1 situation, 2 points. Timeout. Again, the choke is on against Oryx. Lumamang na po sila ng 19 kanina. Ito na ngayon ang the choke yata. Now the lead is down now to 8. Shall we say? An 11-0 plus by Team Tuktuk Saigon over Oryx. Okay, Ison Vlogs also, hello po. Azari, binababa ang bola. Ngayon, ni De Leon. Melvin, binababa ang bola. Melvin pops up. 2 points. Okay, Melvin answering the call. 70-16, 7-3-2 remaining sa ating laro pong ito. Perez, binababa ang bola ni Perez ngayon. Perez, Edward, pops up. Binomba pa, hindi lang pumasok. Sa Busab, no good. Rebound para by De Leon. Hop! Nice guard. Nice protection by Barge. Azari to De Leon again. De Leon binababa ang bola. De Leon. Shake and fake move. De Leon. Whoop. Isa pa. Again. Okay, 2 points. Perez, 2 points. De Leon, binabambo ng De Leon. Melvin for 2. Nope. Rebound by Salud. Foul. Holding foul. Magkakilala yan. Huwag kayo magalala. Magkakilala yan. Yan, naglalaro yun sa Qatar Aviation. Sa Aviation Friendly League, tsaka sa Yan dalawa. Qatar Airways pa rin eh. Si Roldan, tsaka si Salud. Intercepted. Oy! Still completed. Whoop! Okay, binigay kay De Leon. De Leon naman. De Leon. Driving strong. Ayun kay Salud. Nope, it's Dirk for 2. Bang! Azari. Again, Pam. De Leon thinking 3. It's 3 nga. 3. Nope, ayaw. Nice guard by Edward over sa busap. Nope, it's Roldan. 2 points Roldan. 6 minutes remaining. 8 point din naman ang kalamangan ng Team Oryx. Eto na naman tayo. Azari. Salud. It's Melvin. 2 points Melvin. Nadera 2 points. Melvin stole the ball. Melvin. Azari. Salud. Easy 2. Hoy! Okay, time out. Tumingin po na tayo magpagpupok sa Saigon. Ayun ang mga natin, si Kime. At of course, si Natividad na may bagong hairdo, di na kagad nakilala. Ano ginawa ba? Ba't kayo ng hairdo, boss? May bago yata ng hairdo ngayon. Dati, di naging hairdo man. Ano kartado nyo, boss? Ha? 1-3? Hindi. 2-1. Hindi, boss. 2-2. Natalo kayo sa iyong Alporno. Ayan siya. Gakad. Salud. Tingkaya di Salud. Nope. Ayaw kay babagay. Nope. Rebound by by Tuktong Saigon. Edward binababa ang bola. Edward. Nawala bola. Ito na naman kay De Leon. Guards De Leon. Binababa ang bola. Brakad. Melvin for 2 again. Nope. Rebound by Salud. 2 points Salud. Andon Salud 2 points. 4 minutes 43 remaining. 76 point na naman. Nice touch by Salud. Sana. Salud. Nakay Salud. Salud. Touch last by Salud. Ball touch last by Salud. The score is 76 a 14-point lead again. Been posted by Team Oryx. Balik muli po tayo sa loob po natin yan. Galang. Nope. It's Ragusta. Wala. Rebound by Sakusa. Palpal. Babagay. De Leon. Top board. 2 points. Bards De Leon 2 points. Ito na ba ang sinasabing nating missing piece sa Team Oryx para sila manalo sa wakas? Edward, no good. Again, ito na naman. De Leon, binabamang bola ng madali. Edward, babagay, 2 points. Ragusta, 2 points. Ragusta, 2 points. Again, balik-balik kay De Leon ng bola. The score is 82-66. Laman po ng 16 ang Team Oryx. Gakad, dukot sa ilalim, pasok. Out of bounds.
Substitution.
Ha? Teka lang, ha? 66 lang. Mabilis naman discharge to eh. Okay. Ay, gusta, binabiyam. Foul. Dumating si Metroman Dumdum.
First number
Dumdum,
38.
the Metroman. Nadera called for a foul. Nadera for personal fouls. Warning for graduate. 8-4, 6, 3 minutes, 18 remaining. Oop! Palpal! Touch last by Gangad. Iba talaga pag matangkad, grabe.
Kaya mo naman.
Ragusta, offline. Rebound by Gangad. Binato kay Melvin. Melvin. Typical shot niya, pasok. Baba! Oop! Uy! Okay. Galang 3 points. Pagod na. Escat. Kinom muna babagay bola. Babagay against Galang. Nice D. Kunin Galang steal the ball. Perez. 2 points Perez. Again, sa busap naman. 2 points. Op. Sub down. Wala nang hangin si Perez. Wala nang hangin si Perez. Okay, roll down in. Perez out muna para huwag mangyayari si Perez. Nubusan ng hangin. Balik muli tayo sa laro po natin yun. Gakad, pinababa ang bola. Gakad, bring down the ball. Eto na naman, Gakad. Sino pinapasa mo? Gakad. Wala doon. Walang pinasahan si Gakad. Ay, boss. Balik tayo sa busa. Pinababa ang bola again. Roll down. Edward for 3. No. Rebound. May salud. Foul. Sulod, nakaribad si Salud. Di ba talaga pag matangkad? Grabe. Tipping head na lang. Wala nang problema. Gakad. Binababa mo ni Gakad. Melville. Look. Babagay. Binababa ni Babagay. Gakad again. Babagay for 3. Ayaw. Babagay. Nope. It's Melville again. 2 points Melville. Gaka 2 points. Ano ginagawa mo? Okay, inbound again by Oryx basketball team. Scott for the inbound. A minute and 8 remaining sa ating third quarter action. Okay, substitution muna po tayo. Valdez in. Edward out. Salud, 2 points. Andrew Salud, 2 points. Binabato niya, ayaw niya muna. Eto naman, Ragusta. Galang for 3. Ayaw, binabatayan yung arko niya. Nope, it's Soldan for 3. Nope, malakas. Out of bounds. Scott 2 points. Galang sa busap for 3. Pops up. Bang! Wala. One more time. It's Galang naman. Galang for 3. Nope. Rebound by Salud. Intercepted by Roldan. 16 seconds remaining. Palpal. Galang for 3. No. Wala na. Okay, third quarter is finished. Tambay po tayo sa fourth quarter action. Ito po ang mga pag-play po. Our next game for tonight po is of course ang Team Tito Kicks headed by Brian Wu and company along with Kimi and Mr. Domdom the Metroman. Sama na pa natin po naman po against po of course Janos Gumetio headed by RD1 and Acuna and company. Yan po yan. Okay, standby po tayo for the fourth and final quarter. This game is to determine who is the last place and second to the last place. The winner of this game will avoid the twice to beat advantage by rank number 2 team sa ating quarterfinals. Please take note po, as per the house rules po, ang rank number 1 po is automatic, will go for the semis. And rank number 2 will have a twice to beat advantage in the quarterfinals. Perez, no good. Dirk out ba? Ayun na, hindi na kinuha. Orzari, thinking 3. Nope. Dirk, easy 2. Easy 2, Dirk. Dirk Barroso, easy 2 points again. Been posted by Dirk Barroso. 96-73 ang score po natin ngayon. At 23-point lead already been posted by Team Orex over Saigon. Nakuha ni Dilo ng bola. Wala, hindi reset ang bola. Ginagawa mo. Ayan na tayo. Hop, Tadzari against Perez. Hop, good ball. Galang, double team. Galang. Nice. Roldan, no good. Chepmano, no good. And ayun kay Azari, easy 2. Azari, easy 2. Eto na rin si Mr. Ito na yung Janos Gumir. Pumapasok na rin. Nag-gusta. And down. 4 personal foul already on Biggie. Sa Busab, nice effort. Warning for grabe po si Mr. Biggie also. Biggie, binabantay sa Busab. Chepmano, ganang for 3. For 3 nga, ganang for 3. Nope. And foul, graduate, Biggie. Foul for sure on Biggie. Biggie, 5 personal foul, graduate sa Busab, shooting for the bonus free throw, and salute po for the substitution for Biggie. Sa Busab, bonus free throw coming up. Pasok, basket made. 1976, 22.3 been posted by Team Orex. Azari. And one play. Out. Salud naman ang bumawi. Salud. Basket made. 8 minutes 29 remaining. 176. A 24-point lead been posted by Team Orex. Salud. Bonus video. Come up, dog. One more time para kay Salud. Salud. De Leon. Azari. Dirk pops up. Pasok. Dirk Barroso 2 points. Dirk Barroso consistent sa kanyang perimeter shooting ever since. Intercepted by Chepmano to Roldan. 2 points Roldan. Again, one more time. Wala na. Again. Timeout called on by Tuktuk Saigon. Habang po tayo nagta-timeout, maghahanap buhay muna po tayo. Oh. First time sila nakasandaan yun. may back to the basketball game. De Leon po for the inbound. Ito po ating mga tao po. Dumadami na po tayo. For sure, Azari to De Leon. De Leon thinking 3. Pops up. Nope. Good ball sana. Out. Tuktok Saigon ball po tayo yun. Ito pa rin tayo. Ito na naman tayo. Sabusap. Nope. Rakusta for 2. Nope. Inalog pa labas. Escat, binababa ang bola. Escat, binababa bola. Escat. Escat. Dirk, Barroso. Nope. Rebound, battle won by Edward. Perez, 7 minutes and 4 remaining. Perez, palpal. Sabusa, PC2. Perez, palpal. Sabusa, PC2 po tayo. De Leon, binababa ang bola. De Leon, Azari. Azari, Escat for 3. Bang! Terang teresis Escat na. Perez, nope. Rebound Barrow, buwan by Salud. Salud, binaba ang bola. Salud. Azari. Azari thinking 3. Pops up. Nope. Airball. Edward. Edward, binababang bola ni Edward. Roldan thinking 3. Pops up. Malakas. To Escat. From Salud. Salud. Escat. Escat, binabola. Escat, 3-on-3 situation. Escat. Oop. Tap. Binato. Hinop. Salud. Nice one by De Leon. Kililuwa pa. Ragusta. No good. Okay, back to the ball game ulit po tayo. 6 minutes 8 remaining. And Azari also, binababaan po ni Azari ngayon. 107.80 at 27.3 been posted by team Oryx, the pateng butike. Azari. Azari, floater shot, pasok. Again. And ang coach stop po ng Janus Gumay Nation. Pop sa Prices Katraman. No good. Rebound by Sabusa. Edward thinking 3, pops up. Nope. Azari, binababa ang bola. Azari, driving strong. Hindi pinasahan. Walang pinasahan si Azari. Time out. Oryx team na naman. Time out po tayo. You're watching right now the final quarter between Oryx basketball team and of course, ang team Tuktok Saigon. Before that, ito po and Tuktok Saigon rice that tastes the essence of Thailand, Vietnamese, and Burmese cuisine. A bold street food classic made to delight the Tuktok Saigon restaurant. Open daily po kami, and of course, telephone numbers at 3079-9889. 98889. Ito po yung mga pagkain po nila. Back to the ball game muli po tayo. Ayan. Hop. Hop. Ragusta. Fumbled. 5 minutes 12. Ragusta. Floater shot. Outside. Rebound by Sabusab. Sabusab again. Sabusab to Valdez for 3. Kapos. Isa pa daw. Valdez. Easy 2. 2 points Valdez. Azari. Binababa ang bola. Gakad. Eto na Melvin, no good. Rebound again by Salud. Salud, binababa mo ni Salud. To Gakad again, Gakad. Gakad, Gakad, number 8. Dirk pops up. 2 points. Dirk Barroso, consistent po sa sa perimeter shooting niya. Salud, binababa ang bola. Salute against Chef Mano. Chef Mano. Melvin! 2 points, Melvin. Chef Mano for 3. Damn! Chef Mano, 3 points. Azari, pops up for 2. Nope. Sa busap, naka-rebound. Gakad, naka-intercept. 3 minutes 35 remaining sa ating fourth quarter action. Salute. Nope. Malakas. Valdez, binababola. Valdez. Again, salute. Valdez, salute. Valdez. No, with Chef Mano for 3. Malakas. Hoy! Matik na. Also Cell also is in the house. Head coach po ng Janas. Good ball. Edward, 2 points. 2 points, Edward. 2 minutes 46 remaining. Melvin. Dirk again. Nope, ayaw. Good ball. Out of bounds. Tok-tok second ball. 2 minutes 32 remaining sa ating fourth quarter action. Sa busab. Hoy! Out of bounds. Out of bounds. Again, balik muli po sa Oryx ang bola. Azari for the inbound. Okay, now I think without Biggie, without Salud, Oryx is playing now all small position. Oy! Malakas ang pasa. Okay, the score right now is 115-87, a 28-point lead. Stretch being posted now by Team Oryx sa busab. Foul! Gakad po for a foul. And after this po is yung ating maglalaban po is Janas Gumitio versus of course Tiptoe Kicks. Yan po yung kanang pinaka-leader po, si Big Mac. Nandiyan din pala. Last week po wala si Big Mac. Ragusta, first shot. Pasok pareho. Pasok ang shot po niya. Ulit po, last ulit. Last ulit. Again, Chef Mano, still. Chef Mano, 2 points. Melvin for 2. Bang! Melvin, 2 points. Valdez, 2 points. Valdez, 2 points. Again, Nadera 2 points. Oh, maganda. Maganda gising na Nadera ngayon. Oh! Ouch. Ouch. 1 minute 18 remaining. Chef Mano. Palpa! Chef Mano blocked by Gakad. Valdez, 2 points sana. Ayaw. Chef Mano. Nadera. 2 points Nadera. Mukhang may interview sa wakas. Ano? Team Oryx. Edward, out of bounds. Almost. Pops up. Out. May bili kayo. Edward. Nope. Okay, safety basket na lang tayo. 20 seconds remaining before. And at last, again, aside for 3 points. Okay, I believe that's it. 10 seconds remaining. Chef Manu. Nope. Okay, 2 seconds remaining. Congratulations, Oryx basketball team. Final score 126-92. Before we go, ito muna po. Ito po ang ating Tuk Tuk Saigon Restaurant. Taste the essence of Thailand, Vietnam, and Burmese cuisine. A bold street food classic made to delight at Tuk Tuk Saigon Restaurant. Kids friendly and vegan options are available. Kaya po. Ayan ang mga kanilang mga po. And of course, balik tayo.
Once again, congratulations. Orange team. Our next game. Class versus Team 2 Kicks.
Be back to po sa the second game between Janas and Tip Toe Kicks.